what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Hello again everybody, I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome back to RV Rolling with MJ, and we are now about 1/3 through our 2023 summer extravaganza up the East Coast.
It's going so fast.
So we have so much to tell you and show you.
Yeah.
The highlight, what would you say was the highlight of our New York, New Jersey, and I'm going to say
well,
New
so
York.
much was so good. I mean, we're from New York, so we've been there so many times. What's that? We are from New York. We've been there a million times, but we haven't been back since COVID.
That's not the highlight.
No, the highlight is definitely, I guess, the fireworks over the city. No?
Nope.
Don't tell me it's a Yankee game.
Nope.
That was not. Of all the fireworks in the Yankee game was pretty good, but.
Did you get to meet anybody famous?
Oh yeah. Well, I didn't really know him before, and I didn't ever watch the hot dog eating contest in Coney Island, because we went to Coney Island on July 4th, and I got to meet Joey Chestnut after he won again. I did a selfie.
So we were there, and it was pouring.
Oh my God,
during the event. We did that. We did a lot of walking in the city. Everything we can see. Chinatown,
Central Park.
Chinatown, Little Italy, the
Times Square,
9/11 Memorial, Central Park, Broadway, Rockefeller Center, Empire State Building. I could go on. So we did everything there is to do.
We went to Katz's with the famous movie When Harry Met Sally, and had deli there.
Deli. We went on a food tour, which we like to do. Stop and have a little pizza, have a little falafel, have a little wontons or whatever they're called. Dumplings. We are going to do one of my infamous walking tours. We're going to be going all over the freaking place. Starting from here in Newark City,
Jersey City.
Jersey City, and heading over PATH train, Central Park, and 1,000 places in between. So,
not looking forward to my feet.
Good. And our adventure begins. She's a pro.
We are in the PATH train, waiting for a train to World Trade Center.
It's 1962, July, 95 degrees.
Where are the kids going in hydrant water?
Hydrant water?
Yeah, whatever. exhausted. We walked about 7.5 miles. Honestly, I thought it was a lot more. Over 20,000 steps right now on the High Line, lounging on these lounge chairs. This is a great place to come. My feet are ready to fall off. But having a great time, but I'm exhausted. Of course, in New York, you have to eat something. So our first stop, Scott found, is this Broad Nosh Bagels right over there, and we're gonna have a bagel. This is our first, not first, but in a long time, New York bagel. So, haven't had this in a long time. See what this is all about. What I missed for so many years.
One bite, everyone knows the rules.
It was very good. Used to be a place where we used to live in New York and we would come, not often, but a lot. Expecting a line, but there was no line. I don't know, Sunday, 11:30ish, and there was, we thought it was closed, but getting ice cream or frozen hot chocolate, it's the place to be, at least it was. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are filming. I messed up there. Just got these dumplings from like the place. Just test it out. There's a lot of them.
Good?
Yep. We're at the Mamoun's Falafel restaurant. It's like a block or two from the artichoke pizza that we just had, and we're very full because that artichoke slice was really filling. But this is delicious falafel.
This one, it's very high resolution, you know.
Let's see how this is.
You know how it is.
I had it a long time ago.
How is it?
Very good. So this is our last place on a food tour of New York, Joe's Pizza. I'm going to get a slice, and it's on 7 Carmine Street. I'm going to check it out. So here's from Joe's Pizza. So this is the test. See what he thinks.